Hey guys, it's Ryan here from Loantec. I'm here today with Eliott. We recently helped Eliott get into this Toyota Hilux Workmate Ute. Unfortunately, he was caught up in the recent Queensland storms and his previous vehicle was ridden off due to hail damage, and unfortunately he didn't have any insurance. Got in touch with us on the Monday. We quickly secured him this vehicle at a discounted rate through one of our suppliers and organised his finance all in a couple of days. All he had to do was pretty much show up to the dealership on the day, sign the rego transfer forms, and he was on his way. How did you find the process, Eliott?
It was really good. It was pretty quick, pretty easy. You guys took care of everything. You know, I didn't really have to do much, but yeah, just want to say thanks. You know, you guys did a real good job. Within days, I was pretty much had my car. Really happy with it. You know, I'd recommend Loantec to everyone.
There you go, guys. Whether you're looking for a replacement vehicle, a new vehicle, or additional vehicle, you can be much like Eliott. Casually employed, never borrowed money before, but get in touch with Loantec and we'll do our best to help you out. Thanks, guys.